Have you ever looked down into a basement filled with storm water? Do you know what to do when frozen pipes burst and cause a flood in your home or business? When your property and belongings are in harm's way, every minute counts. We know because we have years of experience handling water damage restoration all across Chicago. The city's website, cityofchicago.org, is a great resource for information about what to expect during area flooding and how you want to minimize your risk. We want to help too. So in this video, we'll take a look at 5 steps to take when you're suddenly facing extensive water damage. Shut off the water. First, you need to shut down the water supply coming into the house or your business. The shut-off valve is usually a yellow or red wheel attached to a riser pipe in the basement, the garage, or the alley. Turning the wheel clockwise shuts off your water. Turn off electricity. Step 2 is crucial. Turn off your property's electricity at the fuse box. The main switch is either a large circuit breaker or a pull handle. Be careful. If you have to stand in any amount of water to reach the box, this step becomes too dangerous. Call the city and explain your emergency. Assess the damage. Once you've shut down the water and electricity, you're ready for step 3, damage assessment. As much as you want to start cleaning up, slow down. Document everything first. Take pictures of personal belongings, appliances, and electronics. Include shots of water-damaged floors, walls, and ceilings. When it's time to deal with your insurance company, you'll be ready to back up your claim with solid evidence of your losses. Rescue. Step 4 is all about rescue. As you begin sorting through things, don't let the mess get you down. Special treasures like photos, family documents, and even artwork can often be saved by restoration specialists. From water-damaged furniture to waterlogged carpets, almost everything can be cleaned and salvaged with the right techniques. Recovery. Your final step 5 is all about recovery. You want to get things dried out, cleaned up, and back to normal as soon as possible. You probably need repairs, and you may also need mold remediation. That's where we come in. Our team here at Service Master Restoration by Zaba has years of experience delivering certified water damage restoration to Chicago property owners, managers, and renters. We're proud of all the positive reviews that back up our solid reputation. We're here for you 24/7 with a guaranteed response time of 45 minutes. Everyone does their best to stay prepared for the worst. When it happens to you, don't wait. Call us here at Service Master Restoration by Zaba right away. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.